Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about start of month DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, this is start of month DAX function syntax. Start of month and dates. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, I'm already imported some data. Okay, next go to report and type here and click new measure. Type here calculate sum of sales. Okay, close this parenthesis. Okay, start of month. Okay, return the start of month. Okay, let's next add dates column. Okay, close this parenthesis. See this here, calculate is some function, sum is function, table name and column function, table name and column. Okay, let's check this DAX function. Okay, click GURD and select the measure 4.8 million. This is my start of month sales. Okay, let's check this function. Select slicer and select date. Okay, click this down arrow and select list. Okay, next select GURD. Okay, next select sales. Okay, see this here, September 1 2013 is my starting month, so now I am selecting this one only. See this here, 4.48 million first month sales. See this here, 4.48 first month sales. This is start of month DAX function in Power BI desktop.